Hey guys, what's up? This is Sachin from StarTech City and look up what is this? This is EUI 6.0.030S for Le2 Qualcomm. Your wait is over. Is released on 15/10/2018 and it is for Le2 Qualcomm version. You can install and flash it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can flash it, how you can install it and how you can download it. From both ways, by system updater app and by TWRP. So don't go here and there. Watch it carefully, keep it in mind. And guys, this is the more interesting video for you because I will tell you how to install without TWRP. So let's start.
Guys, let me show you how to download the EUI e6.0.030s for Le2 Qualcomm version. Just open your browser and look up for my website, that is zubitech.tk. Don't worry friends, I will provide the links in description, direct links in description. You don't have to do these things like open website and search for forms, etc and etc. Now share your hard work, get most of it, and now search for EUI official and LeEco both. As you can see, this is EUI 6 and official, and if you want official then you can go for official. If you want modified then you can go for modified. So just click on EUI 6 official, and now here you will get friends Le2 x528 Qualcomm, and as you can see, face unlock is there. Yes, face unlock is there, and you can download from their link 1 and link 2. You can click on any one of them. So let's click on first link. After clicking on, you have to solve the captcha box. Just click on I am not a robot, and here you have to select for cars. So select the cars, and now just verify. And as you can see, I am not, and just click on clear. Click here to continue, and after that you have to wait for 12 seconds. This is not so much time, it's little bit, so just wait it. And after that, here you will get option get link. As you can see, this is the option of get link. Click here, and now you will be redirected to download page. And this is the friends EUI 6 for x528. It is CN version but latest version, and it is on 15/10/2018. It is of 1.6 GB, 1.62. So here you have to click on free download. Just click on free download button, and now it will ask for again download file or not. So you have to just click on download file. After clicking on download file, it will ask for download. As you can see, this is the proper size of the Le2 x528 EUI 6.0.030s. Now just click on download button and it will start downloading. Hope guys this will help you to how to download. As you can see, this is downloading. And guys, one more thing, now I am telling you how to install this in your Le2 Qualcomm x528. So don't go here and there, just watch it properly. Guys, you want to install without TWRP and without root. It means you want to install EUI 6.0.030s or any EUI in your Le2 after 5.8 or 5.9.021s by system updater app, then you are on right place. You can install it, you can officially update by system updater app. You just need to watch my video how to flash fastboot stock ROM, and link is in description. You can watch there and download and flash the fastboot stock ROM by PC. After that you will be able to update in any EUI with system updater app. This is the my video. Let me show you how it works. It needs PC, and this is the fastboot stock ROM, and it is flashing like that in fastboot mode. So guys, you need to watch this video if you want to install it by official recovery by your system updater app in your Le2. If you want TWRP, then I will show you in the next part of the video how to flash by TWRP. Hope guys you like this video. Subscribe my channel and like, share, comment also. So guys, to flash it you need to go in recovery. Now just click on system update app. Now click on three dots, and here you will get reboot to recovery. Just click on reboot to recovery, and here you have to confirm it. Just press on confirm button. So guys, as you can watch, I am in TWRP recovery, Now you have to just swipe to confirm, swipe to allow modifications, and here you will get options install, wipe, backup, restore and extra. So you need to, what you need to do, just click on wipe button. After clicking on wipe button, here you have to click on advanced wipe. Just click on advanced wipe. Here you will select all the options except internal storage and USB USB storage, and now just you have to swipe to confirm, swipe to wipe. After that it will wipe all the data. It will take some seconds. After that you have to just go back, and now again go back. Now what you have to do, just go in install button, just click on install and look up for the folder where you downloaded that ROM. It is in download folder browser, and this is the file. Just tap on it, and now you have to just again click on swipe to confirm flash. You have to swipe to confirm flash. It will take some time. It will take around 5 minutes. After that you have to again go back, and now click on reboot, and after clicking on reboot you have to click on recovery. When you clicked on recovery, you will again get back to TWRP. After that you have to just click on install, and again look up for the folder where you downloaded that zip file, and now you have to just click on this, and you have to swipe to confirm flash. After that it will take 5 times, around 5 minutes, and after that you have to click on reboot. There is an option of reboot system. You have to just click on reboot system, and your EUI 6.0.030s will be installed successfully. So hope guys you will like this. If you guys like this, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like,
Share and subscribe. Good luck guys, keep watching StarTech City.